First time smoking here. My neighbor was throwing this out. It looked like it was used once. Inside it was pretty clean. Brinkmann Smoking Grill. It's like a 5-piece unit. No temp control, right? It's just plug in. I used mesquite chips. It's been going for 1 hour. You can see the smoke. Nice and slow smoking right now. I'm gonna open it up. I got a thermometer inside. Let's check the temp. This is 1 hour. It's at 220. Beautiful smoke. Chicken's cooking. Chicken and ribs. It's pretty simple. Thanks. We're at hour number 2. There's no smoke coming out of the grill. A lot of people have questions whether it should be just smoking because it's called a smoker, but it had its, the first hour, good smoke. Let's see the temperature. I'm chicken and ribs right now. They look awesome. The grill is cooking at 220. This is 2 hours. It's probably nowhere near. I got a water bucket down there. You see the water? It's got all the fat drippings in it. It's just, I'm gonna throw it out. The rib is looking pretty good. But supposedly ribs take 6 hours. Maybe the chicken does too. I don't know. I think I should put the lid on it and check the chicken in a minute. There's again, no temp control. It's just plug and play here. It's probably the cheapest smoker you can get. I'll let you know. We're just over 2 hours here. I'm checking the temperature. Oh, chicken is done, huh? 180? That is some cooked chicken, but the skin is not gonna be crispy on this one, guys. Oh, maybe it's not at 180. I put the lid on it to check the temperature. I put the lid on, and now we're dropping. So what is the actual meat temperature here? What are we? First time smoker here. Dang, look at the grill dropped off. Under 200 just by opening it. But how do you check the temperature of your stuff? Wow. Look at the temp dropping. I put the thermometer in, put the lid on it for 5 minutes to check the temp. And we're not done. We're not even close. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this bad boy back up. We're at 150. Terrible, terrible, terrible news. Oh God. That's 2 hours chicken thighs. 150. All right, bye. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here 3 hours. Piece of chicken on the smoker. We're getting there. The temp's rising on the meat. I mean, we're not done. This is ridiculous. 3 hours. We're at 134 over here. $140. You know what I mean? Chicken's got to be 160, so I don't understand. It's not done. Temp dropping. 3 hours. Chicken thigh. Here we are, 5 hours, ladies and gentlemen. 5 hours on a chicken breast right now. That other instant read thermometer I had, I don't think it was working. Okay, we're at 170, 80, 9. We're not too bad. It's hot. It's overdone, but we're 5 hours on the smoker. I'm good with that. The skin is not crispy at all. You're probably not eating the skin. We're not gonna hit 200. I'm good with that. 5 hours. 5 hours. This piece of meat's at 170 and rising. The ribs are done, guys. Hold on. Wait. All right. I've got Firewater Barbecue from Crest Hill, Illinois. Original Sweet Home Chicago. We're 5 hours on the smoker. The chicken is done, guys. Ah, this looks really good. They really look good. The thing, I was a little disappointed. I did not get a crispy skin on the chicken. No crispy skin on the chicken. Let's see how the meat pulled away there, about a ½ an inch on them ribs. They're done. They're going another hour though. I'm going for 6 hours. All right. They look great. They really look good. Here's the big reveal, ladies and gentlemen. 6 hours on a cheap smoker. About to pull them off. Whoa, they really look amazing. They look amazing. Let's do a quick temp hit. Boom. What do you got? 120, 140, 50, 60, 70. They're done. That's the fattest part of the rib right there. These bad boys are cooked. Over 170. They look amazing. I'm gonna pull them off right now. Oh God, look at that. Look at that rib. It was a pork rib rub. Hope I'm saying that right. They look amazing, guys. It's my first time smoking. Look at that. They really look amazing. There's Firewater barbecue sauce on them. It seemed to cook into it. Maybe I will cut into it here in a minute. Thanks for watching.